Got a little white bass right by my feet. I thought my camera was recording, but it was not. That's pretty cool. Little white bass. They like it cranked in. Cool. Little bitty white bass. Oh, got him off this tree pile with the old Ned. I need to get... He must have picked that up on the fall. Come here, buddy. Nice fish. The old yeah, not too bad. Been working this tree with a couple different baits for, they ain't want to spin it. They're down below. They're on the bottom right now because it's all bright and sunny. So we can't get another one out of there. We'll toss it on this other side. Real deep right there. It just goes off. Immediate deep. Wasn't the best cast, but something got it. There we go. Alright. Settle down, old boy. Hey, come on. Come on. There we go. The real bronze in this stretch of the creek. So real feisty. Thank you, Lord. Oh, that's a nice one right there. That is a nice one. Oh wow, yeah, that's a big one. That's a decent one. That's a decent one. That's a decent one. Come on, dude. Come on. Oh, that's, oh. Oh, that's a decent one. Yeah, that's a real nice fish. Oh yeah, that's a nice creek smallmouth right there. Yeah. Oh, let's get that hook out of his mouth. Man, look at him in the sun. I'd say that's about a probably close to a 15-incher. Yeah. Lovely fish. Thank you, Lord. Well, those things are really salty. He ain't real big, but I got a fish. Oh, he's all right. Yeah, he's all right. Not too bad. Okay. Yes, sir. All right. Yep. Boy, this guy is a rowdy one. Come on. Nice fish. I think what, about a 11, 12 incher. Thank you, Lord. Alright. Well, I'll get on out of here. I might try to catch one more out of this bullhead. And then, gotta go. Oh, well, so I gotta fix those. I don't know if he's dead or alive. I don't want him to bite me. I think he's alive. Yeah, he's alive. Big old alligator snapping turtle right here. My phone's ringing. Something pecking at it. I think I got one. Yep, I got one. Oh, the smallmouth are feeding today. Let's go by this tree. There's a hole there. I decided to... I think he threw up. Whatever that white thing... Yeah, he threw that little fish up. You see that fish? There's a little fish down in there. I'm sorry, dude. I didn't mean to make you throw your supper up. Yeah, there's a little half-digested fish down there. Another 12-incher. 10, 12-incher. Thank you, Lord. They're down in there feeding up. Just right over here underneath this tree. Just decided to cast off there since it was a hole. cast one more cast over here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and head on down toward the truck. Something got it. Alright, fish on. Whoa. That's a different fish. Whoa, come on now. Come here. Alright. Well. It must be a little. Yeah, he's pretty. They're real dark. It's because they're living up in these dark rocks. Thanks, dude. Maybe give it one more cast up in there. See if I can get another one. Oh, something had it. Got one. Dude, settle down. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this hole be. Oh, slightly smaller fish there. Sure got a fish on. I think it's finally another species. Yeah, little green sunfish. These things always vibrate whenever you grab them. It's a cool fish, man. Pretty fish. Its fins are red. Got red tips on them. Thank you, Lord. I think I got a fish on. Yep, I got a fish on. Oh. Oh, another smallie. Okay. Little creek smallie there. Nice. Nice fish. Thank you, Lord. Alright, time to go. Got a fish on. He's real little, whatever it is. Oh, creek chub. Another creek chub. I think I got a fish on. Ooh, a little largemouth. Or a spot. Looks like a spot, actually. Yeah, it's a spot. Little spotted bass. Thanks, dude.